Hey there, it's Greggy Soriano, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an edible cookie dough. And what's amazing about this recipe is that it's totally egg-free and flour-free, just to avoid yourself from getting a little tummy ache. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, a cup of powdered milk, a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 a teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, a stick of room temperature butter, and a tablespoon of your best quality pure vanilla extract. Here's what else you might need. Some printed paper ice cream cups, wooden spoons, sugar waffle cones, and assorted toppings in mini mason jars. In a food processor, blend your oats in a flour-like fine consistency. Switch to a mixing blade and blend your powdered milk, sugar, salt, butter, and cream it all together. Add your milk and best quality pure vanilla extract, blend, add your chocolate chips, grab a cone, grab your scooper, scoop right into the dough, just like this. Put it right onto the cone. And there we have it, edible cookie dough. You could also style the cutest cookie dough bar at your next party, just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to sign up for a Caker's Crate at greggysoriano.com. And for more fun recipes and video tutorials just like this, head on over to my featured channel by downloading the Darby app. Talk to you later. Bye!